In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset Safari browser on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to settings, and once it is done, scroll down all the way until you find Safari. Once you get into Safari settings, you need to scroll down to the very bottom and then tap at Advanced. After that, at the very top, tap at Website Data. After the page is loaded, you need to tap at Remove all website data and then hit at Remove Now. Once you removed all the website data from here, you need to go back to Settings. After that, go to General, then iPhone Storage. After this page is loaded, scroll down until you find Safari here. Hit at Show All and then keep scrolling until you find Safari. Here it is. And that's where we can also find website data. We need to get into it. And that's where you need to tap at Remove all website data again and then hit at Remove Now again to clear the entire website data for the Safari web browser. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.